Alright, time to unbox this thing. Cameron's right here, Jacob's right there. Let's do this unboxing that I promised everyone
in the last vlog.
In the last video.
Jeremy's done his hourly vlogs now.
Hourly vlogs. You should try it, Jacob. It's fun. Unboxing this thing. Alright, this is what I've been waiting for.
So there is a keyboard.
There is a keyboard.
Right?
Really? Oh yeah, okay, sure. I'm talking to these guys. So here's key to 64 gigs, 6 gigs RAM.
6 gigs of RAM?
Yep, 6 gigs of
That's
RAM.
like 2 gigs less than my computer.
And here, dang, look at that.
It's actually it's pretty big.
It's pretty, yeah, it's pretty tall. Yeah, it's a keyboard right there.
Interesting.
Keyboard in 2018. Let's set this off to the side first. You got a SIM tray. You got a SIM tray in here. Or not SIM tray, SIM tool remover.
So Cameron,
So many books. Got Blackberry earphones. Look at those. If it focuses for once. And then the charger, that's about it. I guess that's the unboxing. I'm just kidding. Let's actually try to power up the phone. Let's take a look at the phone.
Is that a sticker on the front? On the screen?
It is a sticker on the phone. Look at that, guys. I almost dropped it. Look at that. That's gonna be Cameron's favorite sound. When we play Fortnite, Cameron types on his mechanical keyboard while we're playing, and we can't hear the game or each other, so
All he is.
I won't keep this video too long, so let's power it up. If it has any juice. Oh, I felt something. And Cameron's giving me some background music. It's like,
Dang. Powered by Android, eh? What if it's a Blackberry phone powered by Apple?
then it wouldn't be Blackberry. It's a different type of fruit, Jacob. Feels nice in the hands, it's all grippy on the back.
Now, how much was this phone?
The price of this phone goes for $650.
Hot damn.
$650, Jacob.
That's still $400 less than my phone.
Still $400 less than your phone. And lower.
The iPhone X.
The iPhone X. So,
Comparison.
really, this has a fingerprint right here in the keyboard.
Ooh, in the space bar?
In the space bar. What did I say? Keyboard? Yes, in the space bar. Which is part of the keyboard. And so, I will end the video here. And see you guys next time.